I'm going to show you how to fix 0x800f0954 error. Open this link in your favorite browser. I have given link in the description. On this page, now click here to start download. Wait for a few seconds. Now click here to download the file. Click here to open file location. Right click on it, cut the file. Now go to this PC, then C drive and paste it here. Click on OK. Now close all windows. Go to search and type CMD. Right click and run as administrator. Copy this command from the description. Then use right click to paste this command in the command prompt and hit enter. Wait for a few minutes. Now type exit and hit enter. To next step, go to search and type computer management. On this Windows, expand services and applications. Then double click on services. On the right side, search for Windows Update Medic service. Then set startup type as automatic. Click on start, apply and close it. For the next step, again go to search and type control panel. Click on it. Now click on programs. Then click on programs and features. Click here. Now check these options. Also expand it. And also check these both options in the .NET framework. Then click on OK. Select this option. Once process is complete, close all windows and restart your system. That's it guys, you are good to go.